Thanks for clicking into Carpet Tiles 1. My name is Vince Perry. I'm the owner of Carpet Tiles 1. The purpose of this video is to show you a little mini version on how to install your 300 by 300 diamond garage flooring. Now, if the cameraman can focus on the floor, let's assume this is the front of your garage. All the tiles are facing one direction. All one direction. You can see that very clearly. And wherever you have a male, you connect the female. Male, female, so on and so forth. Let the cameraman focus on this flooring. Now, let's say this is the front of your garage. When you're ordering, you'll see you have a male connector. You need female connectors for the front door. If this is the front of your garage or your room, you'll see this is all the female side of the tile. You'll need to order male connectors. So depending on which direction you have installed it. So make sure that's important. Although if you order the wrong connectors, all you do is turn your tiles around and face them in the correct direction. So always lay out your floor all in the one direction, and Marco now will show you how quickly it is to install it. Marco, what side would you like to start from?
This side.
Okay, cameraman will focus.
Okay. First tiles.
Get him on this side so the customer's can see.
Put some edging.
Now you can see how quickly this all comes together. If you're at an exhibition doing a 6 metre by 3 metre floor, it wouldn't take you half an hour to 45 minutes to set up a large area like that. So people in the exhibition industry, to keep that one in mind, they are very easy. And the ramp in avoids the trip hazards. Now if you have nice strong hands like Marco, use your hands. Otherwise, a rubber mallet will avoid a bit of bruising on the hands. Now also keep in mind, you can cut these tiles to the wall to fit if you don't want ramping around the perimeter of your garage. And Vince Cordy, what saw do we use?
You can use a jigsaw.
Use a jigsaw to cut.
Anything with a fine sharp blade.
Anything with a fine sharp blade. Always keep a 3 to 5 mil expansion joint along the perimeter of the wall, because the PVC will expand and contract the mill or so. With that expansion joint you will avoid any bubbling up of the tiles, because it gives it a chance to expand and contract with the temperature. So do we all think Marco is fast? If it was me, I would have done it by now. That's what I always say to Marco. I think he's done pretty well. And there it is, all coming together. Diamond 300 by 300 garage flooring. We ship throughout the whole country. Email us and we will give you a transport price. If you're in an extreme remote area of Australia or Tasmania, we have solutions. Our transport companies that we deal with have over 300 depots nationally, and we will get it to you one way or other. Now, I haven't kept track of how many minutes, but Marco's on about 3.5 square meters there just in a matter of minutes. So a whole garage would not take very long at all. Now here at Carpet Tiles One, we have many products. This is just one of our products. If you're in the area to actually come and view the product, please do. Alternatively, we will have pieces of these colors cut, and we can send you little swatch samples of them. So please send us an email if you're after a sample. If you're a car club with lots of members, let us know. We'll send you complimentary a package that you can show your members at the club, and something you can put on display for them. Thank you very much. Any questions at all, give us a call, send us an email. Thank you.